Today, our kindergarten class is going to read a story called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. The author of this story is Eric Carle. Here's the cover of the book. You can see the title, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, in the top right corner. Under the title is the author's name, Eric Carle. The illustration on the cover is of the very hungry caterpillar himself. We see his long green body and his bright red head. He has small feet and his body is fuzzy. Here is our speaking objective or goal for the day. After we read the story, you will be able to retell the story to a partner using your own words. Here is our writing objective or goal for the day. After we read the story, you will be able to write 2 sentences about what foods you would eat if you were a hungry caterpillar. There is only one character in this story, the very hungry caterpillar. This is what he looks like at the beginning of the story when he is very hungry. We see the caterpillar eat a lot of food. Here he is poking out of an apple he has eaten through. Here's another picture of the caterpillar. This time he doesn't look very hungry. He's eaten a lot of food. Let's talk about the setting of the story, or where the story takes place. This story starts at night when the moon is out. Then it becomes day. It is a warm, sunny day. Here we see the moon is out because it is night. We see the caterpillar in his egg on a leaf. Then it turns to day and we see the bright, warm sun. Now let's talk about the plot of the story, or what happens during the story. When the sun comes up, the caterpillar comes out of his egg. He is very hungry. He eats a lot of food. We get to see all of the food he eats through. The story tells us what he eats on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now let's talk about the conflict of the story, or what goes wrong. The caterpillar eats so much food that he gets a stomach ache. Here is the caterpillar right after he's eaten all of that food. He is not hungry anymore. In fact, he looks sad because he has a stomach ache. Next comes the resolution, or what happens at the end of the story. After he gets a stomach ache, the caterpillar builds a cocoon. A cocoon is a small house. He stays inside the cocoon for more than 2 weeks. When he finally comes out, he is a beautiful butterfly. The very hungry caterpillar turned into a beautiful butterfly. Look at his colorful wings. He needed all of that food so he could build his cocoon and turn into a beautiful butterfly. Let's pause the video here and read the story out loud together. Now that we've read the story together, let's answer some questions. What happened when the caterpillar ate all the food? Do you think he knew that would happen? What did you think would happen when the caterpillar built his cocoon? How did you feel when he turned into a butterfly? If you were the very hungry caterpillar, what foods would you eat before you built your cocoon? Thank you for reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle with me today. Bye-bye, butterflies.